This locust weren't looking too clever at all, so I've just squashed its head and I'll give it this lass. There we go. That'll be a nice meal for that. I mean, she's just laid an egg. The leg she's chewed off doesn't seem to have affected her any, which is bloody brilliant. I still don't know why she's done that. I'll have to have a bit of a Google and see what the deal is. I know spiders will, if they've got damaged legs, I know spiders will amputate them themselves. So whether she's damaged it, I don't know what she could have damaged it on though, because there's been nout in here. Yeah, she'll eat that. And whether she's amputated it herself, well, she has amputated it because she's bloody ate it. So whether she's just decided to eat her leg and then not waste anything. Look at them bloody colours. Absolutely stunning. Really, really stunning. Yeah, weird one that. I'll leave her to have a meal in peace anyway.